were informed this morning that the Lagos State Governor has directed the Attorney General to call all the parties together and ensure that we engage in amicable resolution of the dispute. So we are going to ask for a date when the court sits this morning so that we can have time for the parties to engage in an amicable resolution. But as far as the mechanics are concerned, it was the Jakonde administration that gave the land, Owode Onirin, to the mechanics when they were removed from the city. And they have been there since then. We have just been told now that the local government has, behind the mechanics, obtained a CFO in respect of the land. We have the letter of allocation that the land was allocated to the local government. So we are going to contact the state government to make necessary adjustment in respect of that CFO. It is the mechanics that are entitled to the CFO because the government gave them the land as part of the urban renewal program of the state government. So thank you very much.
Sir, we do according to intelligence, there ought to be some activities at the market over there by the other party. What's your own say to that?
No, as I said, some demolition took place, arrests were made, people were beaten up, people were injured. We are taking that up legally. But for now, the agreement of all the parties is that we should allow the government to intervene because the government believes that this matter can be resolved amicably. However, the status quo will have to be maintained in line with the orders of the court. All right?
Now, your own message to these beautiful people, members of Owode Onirin?
No, to remain law-abiding and allow us to take advantage of the provisions of the law to resolve this matter. Egbomi? Ẹ fún aláyè. Torí ìjọba ti ní ká jókòó, ká sọ̀rọ̀, ká fòkun lókun. Tẹ́ ń gbọ́, kálàáfíà lè wà l'Owode Onirin, àlàáfíà dẹ̀ máa jọba ń bẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin náà, ẹ má fa wàhálà o. Táwọn kan bá fa wàhálà pẹ̀lú yín, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́. Òfin wà ń lù wá. Lábẹ́ òfin, a fojú wọn kan mọ̀ bó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ ti gbọ́? Ẹ̀yin ẹ má jà. Ẹ má wọrí àníwọ̀n ní lẹ́yìn mọ́. Àti ní kóníkálukú jókòó síbi tó wà. Ṣé yẹ yín? Yẹn là ń pè ní status quo. Yes. No, we're going to meet between our next week with the government and the other parties with a view to beginning the whole process of resolving the matter amicably. All right?
Yes, it's a good development, but is it not coming too late? Why must Lagos State government wait till we come to court before they call for settlement? On behalf of this, regarding this case, there's a press conference that come up on the 13th of March. There's a press conference. There's a protest that took place on the 27th of March. There's another press conference that took place, and there is a reminder. There are several letters written to governor. It turned a deaf ear, and the perpetrators were keep boasting that the governor is aware of all they are doing. The land grabbers were boasting, and to crown it all, they came to the land with the Lagos State Government Agency, the LABSCA, the Lagos Building Control Agency. So it shows that truly the Lagos State government is fully aware. Now they are calling for settlement. Yes, every matter is allowed to be settled, most especially when it's a civil case. But now, criminal case has come in because they have injured several traders. They injure them, they sustain wound, serious one, and that must not be allowed to slide. So we are not opposing to settlement, but the settlement must be a genuine settlement. Must be a genuine settlement. And when you are giving any order as a government, the order must have a human face.